DJI camera at 4K 60. I'm scared.
Come over here and talk to you.
Shit. This squad's way different. Oh god.
Come here, listen to me.
Who's on right now?
You. Just you.
Yeah, just you.
Anybody else on? No.
No, this squad just doesn't have a good VTX.
Hey.
And it's
no
pissed.
pressure, no pressure. Do something crazy. No pressure, no pressure, no pressure. Here.
I like that tech so much better.
No, I'm sorry, bro. I was like, bring that monitor, bro. You come over here.
Wow, I can't.
I almost hit the top. I was flying to the top rafters, and all of a sudden it's like the midway point, and I was like, fuck dive! Are you thinking that video? Record. Define that video. It is like
okay,
analog.
I hit it, but I don't see no blinking light. Oh, there it goes. Okay, there you go.
See, right orbit for him is like his unnatural, but for me that's my natural. For me, left orbits are harder. But when I skated and I rode regular, I always wanted to turn right.
I skated
Front side.
I orbit better
Rock
in the left than I
choppage.
do the right.
Power stance!
Yeah, I had to get a little wider.
Oh, he's on the Snoopy dog. Snoopy.
Dope man with two phones?
Fucking one for the plug and one for the hose. Skids. Boom! That's the one benefit of skids. So I tried to do it on the vinyl yesterday. I hit that fucking vinyl.
Nice. No pressure, no pressure, no pressure. I'm going live. Do something crazy, do something crazy.
Look how efficient it is. 0 amps.
Power loop on.
There's like one random weed.
Power
in there.
loop on.
There's the weed. Just chop that weed. Dude, that weed
there.
spooked me out. I was like, what the fuck is that? A cable?
What do you think this is?
No,
Amateur hour?
No, but you know how it is in HD.
Hi, Steele.
No one moves. Walk away. Kick walls.
That was a pretty quick
Injection.
injection.
Now you got me wanting the chicken and steak.
Dude, I'm a little scared. I keep forgetting I have that other camera on here that's not as protected as my little squirty ass sessions.
It's kind of protected.
Yes, actually,
It's a little bit of you.
CPU around it instead of just a strap.
Teeps! No, the strap, bro. The strap's where it's at.
You think the strap's more protected?
Oh yeah.
I like the
I don't know. It survived a head-on with Doom Rider.
Yeah, y'all survived some. Well, he had a session. Y'all both survived.
Yeah, I was saying one of them was with the Osmo too.
Keep hitting until one of them dies. See which one dies.
I think this monitor is fucking like fogging up.
No, my shit's fogging out too.
Okay.
I think the humidity just kicked up or something. Not gonna make it.
Southeast. Yeah, I've never been out west to film maybe crab. Dude, I was in Palmdale for like a week in my life. Yeah, it's a weird heat.
Good thing no cars can come from that direction.
Yeah, there's fucking stupid little
I
caution
hadn't even
tape.
thought about that.
Caution tape.
You get a little crazy over there.
That is a nice marble ledge. That shit's gotta be.
I know, I gotta grind it now.
That shit's gotta be nice and slick. That'd have been prime to skate.
It is.
It's kinda high though.
Yeah.
You have to have some serious fucking ollie skills.
It bounced off.
Yeah, dude, that one did.
Yeah, air motor.
Is there someone coming out of that?
No.
I
They're
can't
always at the best.
I can't tell if I'm actually at 19 volts or if I.
Nah, I think you're 19
Yeah,
volts.
19
Yeah,
volts.
19 too. Yep.
But I don't think that's accurate. I think it's like half a volt off.
All
So
right, man. 451.